We're on Facebook Live, and it's giveaway time. Last week, we featured 5 safety items on our Mr. Quick Pick USA page. I'm John Taylor with Mr. Quick Pick USA, and tonight we're going to give them away. Pan over here, please, and you'll see one more time the items that we featured on 5 different videos last week. We have the little roundy round lights. You can go back and look at the videos. We explained how they'll stick on your car. You can put them on the road. Extra protection while you're out there. You need that visibility. Same with these flares. The flares, they sit on the ground. They'll sit on the side of your car. The jumper cables, 20 feet long, 4 gauge, thick. You can jump a car from the back of another car. Came with gloves and a carrying case. The gas can, we talked about the gas can. Go back and look at those videos if you didn't see them. Nothing spilling on your hands. That's sweet. And the air compressor. Everybody needs to carry one of those, even if it's just for your spare. Spare sits in the back of a trunk for a few years. You're gonna need to blow it up before you think you're gonna be able to use it. The lights came with these cool vests. Like we said, visibility. Throw them on if you're on the side of the road. Nothing wrong with the vest. It came with the light kit. So, we're giving it away right now. And we wanted to do it in a very creative way. A lot of people do the little raffle, the little pick some name out of a hat. We decided to put your names on 5 individual poster boards. You see your names. You can look, go to each one of the videos. You'll see all the likes and shares. These are the people who liked and shared. For instance, this one is the first set of lights we're going to give away. So if you liked and shared it, your name is on there. How are we going to do it? We thought about throwing some darts. Kind of boring. Plus the darts we had were kind of dull. They didn't stick in the board. You know what sticks in the board? A 9mm bullet. That's what sticks in the board. So we're going to shoot this poster board to see who's going to win the lights. Now you notice, pan over there please, as Kim walks away, she put the board the other way around so I can't see who's going to win. It's not like you can say, oh, you aim for your buddy. I don't have any buddies on there anyway. We pulled all the buddies off. We're going to shoot that board. Kim, she is Mr. Quick Pick, Hampton, Virginia. She volunteered to help us out with this video. Say hi, Kim.
Hi.
We were going to use the shotgun, but then we realized everybody'd be a winner if we used the shotgun. Let's go with the 9mm. Ruger carbine, 9mm. Let me put on my hearing protection. Can you check everything out there real quickly, please? Safety first. Safety first.
Clear.
So here we go. For the winner of the lights, the flashing lights. Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Kim. Gun secured.
Secured.
Let's see who winner number 1 is for the lights. I'm excited.
Nice shot. M. Meyer.
M. Meyer. You're the
M.
winner.
Meyer.
So you see how we did this. The big letter is your first initial for your first name. We put the last names on the bottom. M. Meyer, you're the winner of our beautiful little 3-light set. The little flashing lights there. We will mail these to you. What you need to do, M. Meyer, and the rest of you winners tonight, is go and message us your shipping address. We need to know your shipping address. You want these prizes? You liked and shared? Send us your shipping address, M. Meyer. Show them those lights. Show them those lights. That's all.
That's beautiful.
You're the winner, M. Meyer.
M. Meyer.
Sweet. What are we giving away next, Kim?
The flare lights.
The flare lights. This is very exciting. I'm excited. excited.
I'm excited. Are you excited, Kim?
I'm excited.
All right.
All right, so we're going for the flare lights next. Safety equipment on. Be very careful here. For the safety lights. There we go. Secure, gun secure. Gun
Secure.
Here we go.
What we got,
I'm
Kim?
very excited. Winner number 2 for the lights.
J. Francis Wilkins.
Woo!
J.
Francis
Wilkins.
You're a winner there, J. Francis.
Right on.
Show them those lights again. You're going to win those stand-up lights. And they come with the vest. Sweet, sweet.
Nice.
Show them the vest. Can you show them the vest? Maybe even put it on for a minute. We have a winner. Winner number 2. Let's go for number 3. The jumper cables. Now the jumper cables, I was surprised we didn't get as many likes and shares for the jumper cables. And that's what I consider one of the better gifts. 20 feet long, 4 gauge, and even come with gloves. Oh, and a little scrapey thing. No, check this out. I forgot about this.
The toothbrush.
A toothbrush. Even came with a little toothbrush. We're getting ready to give that away next. This is exciting. I'm excited. Have
I'm
you ever
excited.
seen a giveaway like this before? With a gun? Hey, we wanted to keep it legit. Anybody can pull something out of a hat. Who knows how many names are in there? This is straight up legit. Safety equipment on. All right, let's go for the jumper cables. Whoop. Ready?
Ready.
We have a winner. Now I'm waiting for one of you homers to say, look how close you're standing. It's all good. It's getting dark out here. We don't want to wait too long. We'll lose our light.
Oh, we need to do one more.
Ah! So few of you went for the jumper cables. There's a lot of white space, a lot of blank space on this board. Kim, whoever it's closest to, gets it. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
For the jumper cables. Nice. I know somebody won this time. I know someone won this time. Kim, somebody won this time. Trust me.
Nope.
Kim,
One more time, John.
this is why we need more lights and shades. Damn. Is it close?
Both of them are pretty close to a particular
say it.
one. I won't say it.
All right. Do I need to scooch up a little bit? Safety equipment on. All right. I'm going to get a little closer. Ready?
Ready.
Someone won this time.
Somebody
I
won.
promise you. Come on, we have a winner. Kim, there better be a winner.
We have a close enough winner. Mike Montoya.
That's it.
Mike Montoya.
Mike Montoya, you're a winner. We like Mike. All right, what's next on the old gift
Gas
list?
can.
The gas can. We've already explained the benefits of the gas can. It's a 1.5 gallon. Has the nice, easy to use nozzle with the push button release. Let's give away that gas can, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Safety equipment on.
On.
All right. How many were there for the gas can? I think it was 10. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Oh, we have a winner. I can feel
You
it.
feel it?
I can feel it. Come on, be a winner. Let's have a winner. Oh yes.
You got a winner, Kim?
R. McQuitson.
Let's
Arthur
see.
McQuinton, congratulations. That's a sweet gas can. Sweet gas can.
Nice.
Congratulations. Send us, message us your shipping address. That's all we need. We're gonna send these out this week and get these. Now look at, show them this last one. The air compressor, of all things.
Everybody like that.
We had like, what, 26, I don't know.
23.
23 likes and shares on the air compressor. Very popular. Maybe we'll give that one again next week. Who knows? We do have more coming up. Stay tuned. We'll be giving away more. I know this is going to be one shot unless I miss the whole board. Which hasn't happened yet, mind you.
Because you're only 10 feet away.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks. Thanks, buddy. All right. Our last prize of the night. Are you excited? I'm excited.
I'm pumped.
This is probably the most exciting thing I've ever done. All right. Safety equipment on.
On.
Let's do this. I'm excited.
Ready? Boom.
Bam. I know we have a winner on this board.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Could it be?
J.J. Doe.
JJ Doe.
Dead center.
Oh, nice.
JJ Doe. Did I
Nice
pull
hit.
out that one?
Yes.
Dead center on that one.
Sweet. So there you go. That's our 5 giveaways from last week. If you didn't see our videos, go back and look at them. We're trying to offer safety equipment. This is all fun. We're having a good time. Who knows what you think of this?
Do the names.
We enjoyed it. But didn't hear you. But anyway,
Do the names one more time.
I don't know all the names. You think I
I told you.
memorized them? Anyway,
J.J. Doe.
the names will be on Facebook. If you go look at each individual video, we will post the winner. We'll let you know in a message. Send us your shipping address, and let's do this again. We'll be looking forward to do this again in the very near future. We're going to have some new stuff too. Safety stuff, vest, the lights, anything to keep us more visible out there on the highway. Whew, it's getting dark out here, but we got it in. Again, it's John, Kim, Dan, Mr. Quick Pick USA. Y'all have a great evening.